She's such a happy girl, a happy girl, a happy girl. She's such a happy girl, the happiest I've seen. She can dance and kick and dance and kick and dance and kick. She can dance and kick, the happiest girl I've seen. Look at the big smile and those chubby cheeks. Look at those cute ears and those little plump little feet. They're hidden in your nightgown, Soph. Anything to say for the camera? You can say it. Yeah. What else? Good job. Hello. And your little button nose. Uh-huh. Good one. That was good talking. I know. It's good talking. It's good talking. Yeah. Anything to say? Hmm? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was really good. Thanks for being so chatty. Oh, bless you. Bless you. I know. Sometimes it's a little exciting speaking so much, right? Right? Little fuzzy head. Little fuzzy head. Okay. I'll talk to you in a little bit. All right. Whoa! Whoa! You think of something else to say?